Let us now see how to create a rate card for a client. Navigate to Rate Cards section and select Outgoing. You can create a new rate card by selecting Add Rate Card button. A form gets displayed asking rate card details like rate card name, validity constraints and the client for which the rate card applies. Please fill in the form and confirm to create a rate card for the selected client. Now let us start adding packages to a rate card. Let us create a new package. To create a new package, click on Create Package. Enter name of the package. Let us create a package for 2 hours 20 kilometers. Please add the base cost, which includes the cost for free kilometers and free hours for the package being created. Post these, the additional charges may apply. Select the vehicle type. You can even select more than one vehicle type for the package as well. Please select the relevant request type from the drop-down menu. Let us select rental for now. Choose whether the trip type is air-conditioned or not. Please select the appropriate GST percentage to be applied in the final bill for this package. We can add more taxes if required by clicking on Add Tax button. If you would like to add additional costs like extra hours, extra kilometers, and other charges, then they can be added by clicking on Add Tariff Rules button. Please click Select Billable to add tariff rule. Click on Create Billable to add a new billable. The billables created once can be reused to add tariff rules. Add the suitable billable name. Select the unit on which you want to charge. Use km to add cost per kilometer, hour to add cost per hour, min to add cost per minute based on your business needs. After adding the detail, click on Add to create the billable. Once the billable is created, enter the rate per unit that should be charged per unit and free units up to which no charge is to be implied considering the base cost. We can also add conditions to a tariff rule, which would enable the app to use a new tariff value whenever the condition is met and then save the tariff rule. Once the tariff rule is saved, it will be displayed in the list. Similarly, we can add more tariff as per business needs. Once the tariffs are created, click on Save Package to save the package. The same procedure needs to be followed to create a new package in the same rate card by selecting Add Package. Similarly, we can add more packages as per business needs. We have created another package for 4 hours 40 kilometers in the similar way. If there are more than one packages, the user can set up a transition rules to switch a passenger from one package to another automatically based on defined parameters. Click on Add Transition Rule. Select the base package, 2 hour 20 kilometers in this case. Enter the value based on which the transition should occur. Select Transition Value Unit. Select the effective package, which is the package the user is shifted to once the transition rule occurs. Click on Save. The transition rule will be added to the rate card. We can add as many transitions as required. Now, we can view the rate card as one by clicking on Close to view the rate card list. We can even edit the existing rate card by clicking on Edit to add new packages, remove packages, add transition rules, and remove transition rules. Please take care not to delete an existing rate card to be used for an upcoming or ongoing trip. This was all about creating rate cards for respective clients. Thank you.